Rob Frazier here. This video I want to talk about how I'm promoting Easy One Up online. Very simple way. I'm promoting the opportunity Easy One Up, and I've been a part of it since it's been around since 5-6 years. At least 5 years. I think we're in 2020. I joined them in either August of 2015 or August of 2016. I don't remember which one, but regardless, I guess I can always look at my back office. One thing I will say, numbers, any sort of income you see, it depends on following a plan. Nothing is guaranteed. Nothing is promised. Just understand that it is a process and it takes following the plan long enough, consistently enough. And some people may make no money at all because they don't listen, they don't follow the plan, they do all kind of different things, and some people may make money, some people are making a lot more money. All of that being said, so here's my back office. I've been around August 2016. I joined August 15th of 2016, and $83,200 over the course of those years, the past 4.5 some odd years. I have never really promoted this opportunity 100% by itself. I always had other things because I do believe in having multiple streams of income and multiple systems, and you'll kind of see how I promote my different systems in this video. And in fact, underneath this video, I'll include a link to another program, Exodus Elite, to which I promote the exact same way. I have a structure, and it's that same structure that allows me to switch out affiliate marketing, direct sales, business opportunities at will. So in case something happens, and something always happens. So for example, as a quick little sidebar, a lot of my capture pages and marketing systems, I have used Power Lead System for, but today something happened with their servers, something or other, I don't know. And this is what happened to all of my Power Lead System pages. And when stuff like this happens, as it does sometimes in the affiliate marketing world, what I simply done is went to my capture page. Basically, my capture page is another marketing system that I use to promote different opportunities, and swapped out my domains for my capture pages. And hopefully this is making sense, because I know I throw out a lot of stuff and it may be kind of advanced, but it's my intention to just show the reality of this industry. I'm working this from home. This is what I live off of, and these are some of the things you go through. So here is one of my capture page systems, and also I'm going to talk about Profits Passport, which is David Deco. I don't know if I'm saying his last name correctly. That's his system, because a lot of people are asking me, hey Rob, I want to use David Deco's Profits Passport system, but I want to build my own email list. And so this is what I simply do. So what I do is I use the My Capture Page marketing system. So My Capture Page actually has, this is just the back office of it, 2 pages, and they have 2 different sales pages for Easy One Up. So you see 2 different capture pages, and I used to think that you can't use the same capture page as everyone else is using, but the thing is, you absolutely can. Why? Because there's not a lot of people out there actually using these pages for paid traffic. That's just how it is. A lot of people are doing a social media thing. Not a lot of people are blogging about it. I think I'm like only one of 5 people who are actually blogging about this opportunity. The same thing with buying traffic. Some people just don't buy traffic anymore, and I still do that. What I simply do is I buy traffic and I blog about it. And I'm waiting for this page to load. Just as a disclaimer, I do have Country Bumpkin Wi-Fi, so it's not the websites. It's my own Wi-Fi connection here. I live out here in the country, and the Wi-Fi is just not as fast. But this is what I do. When I promote something, I do the 3 C's: clicks, connections, and content. Content is this video. Underneath this video, you're going to see a link to this exact same system, and you're going to get on my email list. You're going to see how I promote Easy One Up. I buy traffic, which is clicks, every single week, and then I talk about it on social media, which is where I build my connections. So this right here, this page, I send traffic to this page whenever I buy traffic from MLMleads.com or wherever. I send it to this page right here. people opt in, they'll come in, they'll see this page right here, and they'll get on my email list. Once they are on my email list, once I've built my email list, they already are on my email list first, and they see the Easy One Up presentation second. The very next email, or the third email, or one of the autoresponder emails, or one of my daily email broadcasts to my list, I will email out this system. So that way I'm building my list first, I'm presenting Easy One Up first, and then my second email, I'll share this guy's system, because by then they're already on my email list, and then if they join through this guy's system, I'm going to get paid. And there's different pages. This right here isn't the only one. There's, let me pull up the opt-in form. And what I'll simply do is the very next email, I'll program it in my autoresponder, or I send out an email broadcast for that day, and I'll send out this page right here whenever it finally loads. Like I said again, this is why I've stopped making a lot of videos, because I stopped doing live hangouts because I got country bumpkin Wi-Fi. But it's just that simple. Also, there are a lot of people having success in the Facebook group, David Decole's Facebook group, with this system. And it's not just established marketers. It's all kinds of people, because what happens is people come here, they opt in. They'll opt in through your link, but they'll get on David's email list, and he will follow up with them. He has all sorts of different case studies. He talks about all the success that people are having, and people eventually join. And you can actually do the same thing, even, you know, just include this in your marketing of it. Make sure you visit the Facebook group, and then when you see someone post they had a $2,000 day, they had a $2,000 day, different people, you take that, you screenshot it, you put it in your email, and you send it out with this link right here. Or you send it out with this link right here, because it's the same opportunity. And then once people sign up with you in Easy One Up, you'll have two marketing systems to give them. You'll have the My Capture Page system, which you can build your own email list with. I recommend pairing it with Aweber or GetResponse. And then you have David Decole's system as well. And so you just email on different days. You know, one day you'll email out the My Capture Page system, and then the next day you email out the Profits Passport. And whenever Power Lead system comes back up, that's another system you can actually email as well. But without getting too crazy, just start here. So hopefully that answers that question. I still follow the same plan. Whenever I make a sale, I take anywhere from 25 to 40% of the money. So I get a $1,000 sale, 25 to 40% of that automatically off the top goes back into paid traffic without even thinking about it. I'll either buy traffic from MLMleads.com, traffic from me, sometimes Udemy, or I know personal people I buy traffic from. Or I'll just use that money to pay for my pay-per-click advertising, different things like that. And the rest I have split up. You know, I have a certain percentage goes in my trading account, certain percentage I use to pay bills, and a certain percentage to go in my pocket. So if you come across this video, you do not have a mentor, if you're an Easy One Up, you're floundering around, you don't know how to make sales, you don't have a lot of time for social media. I don't do social media as much. I blog and I buy traffic because I have a young kiddo at the house. I got so many other things that I'm trying to do in life without being too overwhelmed, and social media is just a rabbit hole I do not want to go down. So if you're looking for somebody to help you, a mentor that can help you with this online gig, I'm your guy, and especially if you're an Easy One Up. You can be on my team. You don't have to be on my team. I'll just share with you these resources I have, and I'll share with you my traffic sources, and it's just simply a matter of following that plan. So that being said, name's Rob Fraser, wrapping this video up. The link to this page will be in the description. You'll get on my Easy One Up list. You'll see how I promote it through my emails, and you can just watch and see what I use and use the resources that I use as well. That being said, wrapping this video up. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.